Okay, we're going to learn how to do the ReadWriteThink Puzzle Maker with Google and save your puzzle to Google Drive. So I've logged into Launchpad. I go to my Google Apps Share for secondary, Google Apps Learn for elementary. I get into my Drive. And then if I'm the student, I go to the Waffle and then Google Classroom. My teacher should post the link to the Crossword Puzzle Maker inside of Google Classroom so that when I click on the link, I get right to it. So this is the link here. Copy, paste that into your Google Classroom. So the kids go in, they put in their name, and then they say create your own. And name my puzzle is, I'm just going to call it words, and begin. Then my first word is break, and then break, and then season, and then winter, and then summer, then spring, and then fall, and you get the point. So then I go to create puzzle, creates the puzzle. So now I want to enter the clues. So fall is season in October. And got all my definitions in, my clues. So here is my puzzle. I'm going to actually make that a little bigger there by clicking the plus sign, and here's my clues. And now I'm going to say print. I'm going to choose print my work, a blank puzzle, and the answer key. I'm going to say print. Now here's the key. I'm not going to print to a folder. I'm going to click change, and I'm going to say save to my Google Drive. So save to Google Drive is my choice right there. When I click save, it sends a PDF copy to my Google Drive. Let's go back and see if I was fibbing to you. Oh, wait, here's my Read, Write, Think student material crossword puzzle. Sweet. And then I can turn that into my teacher in my Google Classroom assignment. So we're going to see if that works.